Good morning, guys, and welcome to How to Grow a Strong Mindset with Rodney. Strength is trained, not given. Calm, discipline, unbreakable. Build the mind before the life. Quiet strength, relentless growth. This is the first episode. What a strong mindset truly is. A strong mindset is not loud. It is not announce itself. In other words, it does not announce itself. It is built quietly through discipline, responsibility, and restraint. The core of this message is a strong mindset is the ability to remain sturdy regardless of the circumstances. It is not, when I say again, it is not positivity. It is not aggression. It is control. Guys, let me say this again. It is control. Most people confuse strength with emotion. Strength with actual maestro over emotion. This is a teaching point. Life will apply pressure regardless of resilience. Weakness is avoiding responsibility. Listen to what I'm saying. Weakness is when you avoid responsibility. Strength begins the moment excuse end. What does that mean is you get stronger when you let go of excuses. And that's why it says strength begin the moment excuse end. And I'm going to close with this. You don't need, or let me change that. You do not become strong when life become easy. Again, you do not become strong when life become easy. You become strong when you decided to stop negotiating with weakness. Let me rephrase. In other words, let me say it again. You become strong when you decided to stop negotiating with weakness. Now, guys, when I say this is how to grow a strong mindset, that's exactly what I mean. And guys, remember these words. You become strong when you decided to stop negotiating with weakness. On the behalf of myself and I, this is how to grow a strong mindset by Rodney. Have a blessed day.